Hey, Richard Beckman here with our golden lab puppies. As you can see, they're getting pretty big here. Mom's outside, so we have them in our little laundry basket. I mean, you take a look here. Look at that face, just so cute. We are selling these puppies for $150 a pup. I don't know, honey. Let's see. Him up. What do you think, Alicia? Look at that guy.
How cute.
You want to hold him?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get a picture of his face.
I don't know if that one.
Oh, look at him. Oh, anyhow, these are pretty cute puppies. I mean, look at the size of this guy here. You tell me he's not a big one. And look at that guy.
Are they the first one?
He says, wait, you just woke me up.
Yeah. Help me.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going back in my truck. I want to be warm again.
Is that what he's saying?
Yes.
Hi, guy. How are you? He says, where's my mom?
I'm hungry. Help me, help me. I'm in the world.